Hello and welcome to today's video. This is a quick progress update on the 1995 Selectra E10 restoration. As you can see, I've got the rear battery box cover installed. I've replaced all of these rubber shock mounts for the motor controllers with brand new ones, so those all they were rusted on there really well, so I had to drill them all out. And got them all drilled out, broke out, and it's got new ones in there, 8 new ones. You'll notice one drive is missing. I haven't fabricated the mounts yet for it, so I got to make these little mounting ears because they are missing on the other drive. It's got the front ones, but not the back ones. So we're going to go ahead and make those tomorrow morning. Also fixed up the, this is for the regenerative braking. It's just a relay contact in the drive that closes and turns the brake lights on. I can show that it works on the chassis side. I don't have a big enough load since the motors aren't actually connected to anything. They're just free spinning, so I can't regen enough. I think you have to get above 20-ish amps or so before the brake lights will turn on. But they do work, where I can show you. I've got it over here. So if I go ahead and click this, you'll hear a little click turn on. See the brake lights? So the brake lights the regenerative braking part is working. So if I put a big enough load on there, it'll actually turn them on. The other thing I've added on both drives is the RS422 to RS232 serial port is now on here. And that has been hooked up in both of them. It has the adapters built in. Unfortunately, I have it hooked up to the vehicle now, and it doesn't work. So I can control the drive, spin the motor, do everything with my little test box, but with it connected to the actual vehicle, it doesn't run. So there's something is not quite right with the center console in here. So somewhere down in the bowels of this guy, something's gone wrong, or something's unplugged, or there's a loose connection. So I need to do a little bit of troubleshooting on that, figure out what's wrong with it. Gonna get the other drive mounting bracket done, get that installed in here, and then also need to still troubleshoot this rear motor back here. The passenger side motor has a little stuttering issue, so try to get that knocked out tomorrow as well. And then I think I might be ready for a test drive. If I can get those two things worked out tomorrow morning, I think we'll be able to take this puppy for a test drive, see what happens. I still got to fabricate the front mounting brackets for the front battery box and fix the voltmeter, because the voltmeter in it doesn't work. And yeah, other than that, oh, and then put mirrors on, because I actually have to go buy some mirrors. They're still missing. And yeah, other than that, I think everything's good. Everything else is working. So I think we're just down to if I can get that motor controller, if I can get the vehicle to actually work with the motor controller, and we'll just ohm that out. There's probably just a loose wire or a broke wire or something, and see if we can't get this thing up and running tomorrow. Anyways, so it's supposed to be a quick update, but thanks for watching. Bye.